I cannot turn the child lock of my Bosch dishwasher off. I have tried holding the button for 4 seconds but the light does not turn off. What can I do?
Hello and thank you for using this service. Is the unit currently in a cycle? If so, turn the power off to the unit for 1 minute. Then turn it back on. If the Chiold Lock is still on, press and hold that button in for 5 to 10 seconds. And see if it clears. Let me know what happens.
While holding the button, the cycle countdown displays CL. But the child lock, however, does not turn off.
Turn the power off to the unit. You may have a bad control. That indicated it is receiving the input, the controller is not processing it the command correctly. Turn the power off for a few minutes, then try it again. Turn it off at the breaker, not the machine.
Nothing changed after turning the power off at the breaker. Child lock is still on and holding the button in does nothing.
The control is bad. They had some issues with the controls doing this on the Bosch units. You would need to replace the control board to get it working again. I wish I had better news.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.